Welcome. This yoga class is great for improving posture, but also just getting a good upper back and shoulder stretch in. Let's begin. Come to your knees. Begin rolling your shoulders. Opposite direction. Begin circulating the neck. Nice, gentle movements, feeling the clicks and ticks. Opposite direction. Release. Walking the hands forward. Begin to press into the hands and envision a string pulling your tailbone back. Begin to allow the forehead to rest on the mat. Expanding the belly and lower back with your inhales. Exhale, sighing out any tension within the shoulders, the upper back. Maybe the ribs even begin to soften here. Rest here or take the knees wide for a wide-legged child's pose. Resting the forehead, cheek, or chin to the mat. Notice if you begin to lift in the shoulders here. Begin to soften the body, utilizing your exhales. Sighing out that tension. Softening the shoulders, the upper back, maybe even the back of the neck. Next, inhale, release, and come to your belly. Taking the left hand straight out towards the left, opening up towards the right, using your right foot as support, either on the outside of the left leg or on the inside. Nice deep inhales, full exhales. Release. Take the right hand straight out. Begin to open up towards the left. Full breath cycles here. Observe the body, any sensations within the body. Reacting less. As the mind begins to settle, so does the body. Release. Feel free to just rest here for a moment. Take your time. Maybe take the hands to your sides. And when you're ready, come to table. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, right hand. Exhale, threaded under the left. Left hand reaches up towards the top corner of the mat. Release. Feel free to rock it out here. When you're ready, left hand lifts, threaded under the right. Right hand reaching up towards the right corner of the mat. On your inhale, release. Feel free to rock it out. You can shake the arms out. And when you're ready, come to your back. Take the feet mat with distance and let the knees rest against each other. Taking the elbows in line with the shoulders for cactus. If this feels good, rest right here. You do not have to go any further, or begin to move your hands closer until you can grab opposite elbows. If grabbing opposite elbows is a bit too intense today, stay in your cactus or add some height under the arms with a block or maybe a blanket or pillow. In time, you can remove the prop. Option to begin rocking the knees side to side. Observe the body. Really connect. Notice any sensations in the hips, in the shoulders, maybe the back. Begin to straighten the legs and flex the feet, driving into the heels, as if you were standing on the ground. Begin to tuck the tailbone. This is a very slight movement. Engaging the core, ribs go in and up. And begin to draw the sternum up. Again, this is a very slight movement. Hold here. Nice deep breath cycles. And release, relaxing the feet. Give yourself a good hug. And when you're ready, take the hands to your sides, palms facing up and open. Taking this time to fully connect to the body. Maybe we are feeling a few areas of the body we never really knew existed before. Maybe we're feeling sensations within the core and the hips. Just observe, take this time to really acknowledge the body. Begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, maybe rocking the head side to side. Option here to hug the knees to chest. Release, rolling to your right side. When you're ready, come to seated. Take a moment to observe how the body feels. How's your posture feeling? Once again, go ahead and tuck the tailbone. Slight movement drawing the sternum forward, softening the shoulders. Here we begin to stack the spine, sitting nice and tall. Next, inhale hands overhead. Exhale hands to heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste.